Hey everybody. Hey guys, happy Friday and happy Vlogmas day number 8, family. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to our channel, My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube, guys. And if you're new to this Vlogmas video and this new Friday Vlogmas, don't forget, please get subscribed and get subscribed to all notifications of Vlogmas or any notifications of My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube, guys, because this channel right here keeps up and tries to entertain on a daily basis. So as you may see in the background, I'm sitting down by the Christmas tree. Oh, what a Christmassy feeling. It's just a perfect picture. But I'm doing today's Vlogmas about the spirit of giving. That's what this Vlogmas is. So when I say the spirit of giving, when you give or you give somebody, it doesn't have to be a lot. It doesn't have to be pricey. It just shows the love and something that came from the heart from you to that person. That's a gifting. That's the spirit of giving. In the time of holidays, most times that's when we feel the need to give and be thankful and share the love and the giving that we have in our hearts and in our minds. So I'm doing this Vlogmas because my daughter at God Inspires Life Coaching we were sitting all at the table yesterday talking about Christmases and this Christmas, and we're talking about, just, your Secret Santa and this and that. And my daughter was saying, and I felt the same way, I had told her, for some reason, I just feel the feeling to give this year. So I've already given to a couple of kettlers outside of Walmart, in the local supermarket. I feel the spirit to give, even if it's just to my family. But just the feeling to give is an awesome feeling. The feeling of giving and making somebody's day and making somebody happy is always a blessing. I want to just make this today's Vlogmas, like I said, about the spirit of giving. Happy Vlogmas Day 8, guys. Remember, you don't have to always set yourself back, go all out, or try to outdo somebody else. All you want to do for your family and for the holidays is make somebody's day and make somebody smile in the spirit of giving and make their holiday happy like it's supposed to be. Isn't that what we all want? All of us at some point were a child, and all of us wanted to look under that tree and see our name on the present with our name on it, a gift with our name on it, a present, count and see how many gifts that we have. We've all been that children before. Let us give to our children. Let us give to our family members. Let us give and show love to all the people that we possibly can in the spirit of giving and for the holidays, guys. Because that is the one thing that on Christmas, everybody wants to look and see. It doesn't matter what age you are. So give a little, show a little, love a little, care a little. But make sure today's Vlogmas is the spirit of giving, guys. Give what you can, share what you can, but show love and give whatever you can on this happy holiday season. Happy Vlogmas Day number 8, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And my channel, our channel, is My Crazy Big Black Family, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 8. Stay tuned for more Vlogmas videos because we're staying tuned to you guys. Mwah. And also, happy Friday. Bye.